Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor, and we're here with the 2022 Honda Civics. This brand new 11th generation is bringing a cool new styling update and some other very important changes to the Civic lineup. We've got two different models here. On the left is the Civic Sport, so that's rocking the 2-liter naturally aspirated engine, same one as the 10th gen. And on my right is the brand new Touring model, which is rocking the 1.5-liter turbo, but boosted up a little bit, so a little bit extra horsepower, a little bit extra torque. Both models see a little bump in fuel economy thanks to a revised CVT. Now obviously these are both sedans here. These will be coming out later this year, and the hatchback model a few months after that. Unfortunately, no more manual transmission in any of these kind of more basic models, but you'll definitely still be seeing that in the SI and the Type R later on if and when they come. Now we're gonna hop in, take a little look around the interior and exterior of both of them. But most importantly is the fact that this touring model is getting finally a branded audio system. That's right, 12 speakers of Bose goodness going into the top trim Civic. So we are really excited to get in and take a listen to that when we get the chance. Starting over here with the Sport model, this is actually rocking the HPD package as well. So you got some of these little extra Honda goodies, you got these dark wheels, these black accents. You can see the blacked out lettering in the back, looking cool. Definitely a more mature design for this 11th gen Civic. Let's hop on inside. This interior, pretty darn neat. Take a look at these vents. Sort of a nifty new look for the Civic. A little bit of a new infotainment as well. So in this Sport model, the LX and the Sport, definitely more basic. You pretty much just have your phone, radio, media. You've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, but you have to plug in for that. No wireless device charging. Pretty neat key though. And a pretty standard shifter. A little surprising to see them not go to some buttons or something, but overall a pretty mature look for this new Civic. Back seat, standard fare, but actually a remarkable amount of room for an adult. I was able to fit back here, 5'10", no problem. Good amount of knee room, good amount of headroom. Not bad. And the trunk is a trunk. Space, seats fold down. This one, the Touring, is where you can really see Honda stepping up the game and differentiating themselves from the other people in the market. The other cars trying to look more like a mature option, a little bit less tuner racer style of the 10th gen Civic, more baby Accord really. You get a lot of that looking at this Touring model. Again, take a look at this interior, looking really nice. Tell me you don't see Accord styling in here. But again, with this cool honeycomb, very straight, bold grille, kind of looking like a Volkswagen, sort of, in the very simple, minimalist, mature design. And coming on in, get that beeping to go away. Firing up, you can see the all-new digital gauge cluster. Full digital for the Touring, looking nice. And an updated infotainment as well. So you got a nice clicking volume knob, very responsive. You can see how quickly things load up. Some physical buttons on the side, that's nice. Super good Honda-esque buttons, switches, and knobs. Everything feels good, looks good. Nice to see. And then last but not least, as we said at the beginning, this Bose audio system. So, not going to be able to do any sort of audio demo today, but we can take a look at speaker locations. Down here you've got one, up here 2, you can see the Bose branding there. Center speaker 3, 4, 5. coming into the back, you've got 6, 7, 8, 9 on the other door, and then 10, 11, 12 deck lid speakers. So really excited to take a listen to this, and it's super cool to see Honda stepping up their game and actually bringing in a third party to bring some updated audio to their lineup. So there we are, the new 2022 Civics. Absolutely excited to get behind the wheel, see what these things are like to drive. Let us know in the comments what you think of the looks and what you think of Honda stepping up to using Bose for their audio systems. We can't wait to see more of that coming in some of their other models. And we'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.